Hello, my name is Angelo McBride, and I'm with the City of Columbia Office of Business Opportunities. I'm a program administrator. Today I'd like to talk to you about access to Capital Symposium. This is the Midlands financing option for small businesses that's coming up on November the 11th, where we'll be at the Convention Center, Metropolitan Convention Center, where we'll have about 20 lenders to be there. And we hope to have our small business community, or those who are starting a business, to come and let us match you up with the proper lender of your choice. There, you will get the opportunity to have 15-minute sessions with each one of those lenders to see which product or services best fit your business model. It is a valuable opportunity because now you get to shop all in one within 2 hours, up to 20 business banks that can really help impact your bottom line. As you think about growing your business, well, here's an opportunity to look at large banks, smaller banks, credit unions, non-traditional lenders, even to a point where we may have an angel investor there. So if you have an opportunity to grow your business, this is the place to be. This is our third year, and last year was, I think, was more successful. One of the partners was TD Bank, obviously, and then we have one of our local businesses to walk away with a line of credit. She was glad that we had this opportunity because now she met with them after the conference was over, and they went back and actually closed the deal. We hope to see it continues, and it all depends on the demand, of course, and we are generally target about 100 businesses to come, so we can sort of keep it small enough where they have enough time to meet with the multiple lenders. Not only just meeting with them, but we also going to do a panel to talk about best practices, some of the do's and don'ts, how to be prepared when you do approach a lender, what to expect, and it's all about readiness. So if you're prepared to meet a lender and you have everything is in proper order, things go a lot smoother. So we're going to give those tips and to be able to help a small business understand how to get that lending and the loans, if you will, to be closed. It's going to be across the gamut. It can be anything from a startup restaurant, a catering service. It could be a construction company. So we're not going to, turn anyone away, but we look for those who are ready to go into business. Even if it's going to take 1 or 2 years down the road, at least understand which particular bank will cater to your particular industry. Some larger banks probably not going to look at a new startup, but you may look at a credit union and they're ready to do business with you. So knowing those dynamics and preparing yourself to get ready for a loan or some type of line of credit is the best place to be on November 11th. The cost is $30. They can register at eventbrite.com, or they can give me a call directly at 803-545-3960. Or they can email me, aamcbride@columbiasc.net. Then I'll make sure you get registered properly. And we're going to add a little bit more flavor to it. This time we're going to ask the small business owners or those entrepreneurs to give us maybe a 3 to 5 liner about their business. Then we'll take that, we'll share it with all the lenders. So those lenders now know who are they dealing with. And when they're walking in for that short to 15 minutes, we call it speed dating, they have an opportunity to say, yes, I understand the particular company, what they're looking for, and they can tell them how they can actually construct a particular loan for them. Being able to, our partners, for example, like SBA, now you're getting the whole wide array of services out there, not just from City of Columbia, but now you're looking at on a national level with SBA as well. Their resources. So we want to encourage our local business within the Midlands and across the state that you're not even by yourself. So now you got resources that's really helping you walk you through that process. It's best to be prepared now and to start walking through that process. I may not need the money today, may not need it tomorrow, but I know if I got a growth strategy in place and I do have this span, I knew I want to be able to have access to that capital and to be able to reach out to the right lender that I really need to be reaching out to. So I think if you're on the fence and not coming, it's best to be prepared now than later to rush to try to find someone, and that particular lender may not meet your needs, but here's an opportunity to shop around right now within that 2 hours to find the right lender. Thank you for asking us to come and talk a little bit more about it. I think being able to network with the 100 particular entrepreneurs that's going to be there, with the 20 businesses, and then a bit with the public sector there, I think coming there is a benefit because now you can walk away smarter than you came in.